This is an Mpow Solar Motion Sensor Light. So this is effectively a garden light that just does what I hope it should do. We've had a look at one of these once before. I believe it was from Oki, and I liked it very much. I still have it. It's been well over a year since I unboxed it, and it's still performing very well. Whilst it doesn't go on and off every day, it lights up my bins when I need to take the bins out. So I want another one, and this one appears to be a bit smaller than that last one. And we're going to have a quick look at it now and see what it's like. Install it and see how well it performs. So around here it says that it's waterproof, it's heat resistant, and it's frost resistant. That's a bold statement. These usually have operating temperatures between 40 and -8 or so. So I guess frost resistant does mean it's going to go down to about freezing. Inside there's one piece solar motion sensor light. Nothing around that side. So inside we get some screws and some wall plugs and two little brackety type things as well. They're a bit interesting. We get the unit itself, which we'll come to in a second. We get a nice piece of cardboard and some air. Right, so straight off I should have checked the dimensions of this because I'm a little disappointed. It's a lot smaller than I had imagined. Solar motion sensor light user manual tells you how to operate it. Okay, and what is number 3? Hook. Okay, so these are hooks. Installation guide and operation guide. So this is the way that it would be placed. This is the sensor that detects you, the criminal that's heading up my driveway to steal stuff out of my bins. These LEDs light up and you get scared by said light and run away. The light has been generated by a battery that's inside that's been charged by these solar panels. The solar panels charge up from the sun, and that's about it. It's a daring tale of criminality. So round the back we have some exposed screws. We have a place for that hook to go. So this is incredibly easy to install. You need but one screw, although they provide 2 screws, 2 wall plugs and 2 hooks. But I guess that makes it movable, which is an interesting idea. Or an interesting variable for you. You can take it off the wall and put it somewhere else. Swish, I like that idea actually, because all year round, it's maybe during the summer you might not want it in a particular place, you might want to move it somewhere else. Right, okay, they've bought me with that idea. There's a bit of flexibility here. So we have the power button, and we press the button on the back to activate. So that's turned on, hopefully. Okay, so what happens whenever I press that button is that it detects brightness around. And if it's bright enough, these will start to charge the battery. And then whenever we turn the lights off, the studio lights off, it should hopefully detect motion from me and then illuminate the LEDs. We're going to have a go here. I'm going to set it like this so it's pointing directly at the studio lights. I'll leave it for about 10 minutes to charge up a wee bit, and then we'll turn off the lights and see what happens. If nothing happens, I'll go and install it somewhere and then use the natural light. Okay, so this has been charging for a little while. We're going to have a go at turning off the studio lights and see what happens. Ah, my eyes! Okay, so it does work. It's fairly bright. It can illuminate this corner of the room. All of them are going, obviously. None of them are out. Yep. And it's so easy to fit them. I will turn the lights back on. And there's the sun is up, so it's turned off again. I love these things, I really do. I think they're one of the best inventions that we've had in a long time. And if this lasts as long as the other one that I have, I would love to think that these things are going to become more and more popular around the place. I suggest that you pick these up because they are great. They do look... they're not exactly pretty, but whenever you just see them working, you really do get a bit of a kick out of them. Awesome stuff. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments box down below. Hit that subscribe button and give us a wee thumbs up if you fancy. And other than that, take care.